This is Cricut Maker 3, the ultimate smart cutting machine. Like all our machines, it helps you make popular projects like custom t-shirts and totes, decals and decor, and so much more. And when you're ready to take your project making to the next level, Maker 3 is ready too. That's because with additional interchangeable tools, Cricut Maker 3 can cut wood to make yourself at home. Fabric too, for the cutest creature comforts. Engrave metal, to give gifts that shine. And emboss leather, to make something special for someone special. It can even create perfect fold lines for 3D projects that wow. So how does it work? Every Cricut machine works with the Design Space app, where you pick a project or upload your own design. Customize it to perfection. Choose the right tool and material. Then let your machine work its magic. Put it together and wow, you did that, and that, and that. Whichever Cricut machine you choose, we're here for you, with free online learning for every crafter at every level, and a community of millions of members. So whether you're making simple projects or simply want to make more, make it all with Cricut Maker 3.